Hi guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a collage of the photos you click with the Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
The Nikon Coolpix B500 allows me to create a photo collage in camera of 4 or 9 shots. Let me show you how. Switch to the Smart Portrait mode. Now we go to the menu, Self Collage. You can select the number of shots you want in your collage. 4 will give you a 2x2 grid and 9 will give you a 3x3 grid. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep the value as 4. Interval is the time taken by the camera to switch between these 4 shots. I'll keep it the default medium. Shutter sound is magic. You can keep it as you want. Now I'll exit the menu. Click on the self timer button here to the left of OK and select self collage. Now start clicking your 4 images. Images are clicked in an interval of 3 seconds. Save OK? Yes. Now we go to the playback button, press OK. Here is the collage. If you are inside the sequence, then you can delete an individual image by clicking the delete button and selecting individual image. But if you delete here, the entire sequence will be deleted. Please note that in the self-collage mode, you can't enter the macro mode and you can't control the camera's ISO, white balance, frequency and focus. So guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you all. If it was, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel, or if you have any feedback or suggestions for me, please leave them down below too. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous video and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos on my channel. Bye.